Hey guys, my name's Chelsea Weger, and today we are in the story of North Carolina at the North Carolina Museum of History. We're going to be reading Wright Numbers by Carol Crane and illustrated by Gary Palmer. Wright Numbers, a North Carolina number book. One Pilot Mountain, a tall mushroom capped with green, pinnacles jutting upward with a rocky bridge in between. Telling us of days gone by, a scene in our state's landscape, two old tobacco barns, each with its own distinct shape. 3 inland river ferries, hear the cars calling toot toot, riding across the river, a short and fun route. Living in the northern Outer Banks, descendants of Spanish Mustang lore, 4 Corolla wild horses surviving shipwrecks and swimming ashore. 5 basketball players on the court, women and men shooting hoops to win. North Carolina's cheering fans supporting their teams again and again. 6 whitewater rafters paddling down the Nantahala River. Miles of swift currents and waves, excitement and cold spray makes us shiver. 7 Gee Haw Whimmy Diddles, an Appalachian toy from the past, rubbing 2 notched sticks together as we watch the propeller go fast. Scampering up trees, what a ghostly surprise. 8 white squirrels, I can't believe my eyes. 9 clay pots for planting our peanut seeds. This year's science fair project, will our venture succeed? Blue crabs have 10 legs, watch out for their front claws. It's best to leave them alone, they have powerful jaws. 11 tundra swans, wintering in North Carolina lakes. Graceful floating ballerinas, honking and calling as the day breaks. Moravian hand-rolled cookies, sugar, lemon, chocolate, and spice. I'll take 12, please. The smell is so deliciously nice. 13 quarts of strawberries, 1 for my basket, 2 for my mouth. 13 pounds of blueberries. It's berry picking time in the South. 14 shirts and pants hanging on the line, all washed nice and clean. The textile manufacturers in our state make even the beloved denim jean. 15 Scottish bagpipers are elegantly clad, seen at Highland Games in traditional plaid. Waiting in a line to tour the big ship, 20 smiling tourists on a special ship. 25 crawly, creepy, fascinating bugs. Some are mounted, some are alive. Specimens from all over the world, they even have beehives. 30 whirligigs, large art pieces on display. Movement and sounds welded from scraps, an outside museum tucked away. 40 bushels of apples, Granny Smith and Red Delicious, crispy, sweet, sour, tangy flavor, 1 a day is so nutritious. 50 Fraser fir trees, trimmed to perfection, North Carolina's favorite Christmas tree, waiting for selection. Can you find the counties? There are 100 in this state. From Alamance to Yancey, each one is first rate.